everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So this is the look that I created for this Onam. So if you like what you see so far, please do subscribe to my channel, and without wasting much time, let's start the video. Starting off with moisturizer. For that I'm going to be using simple moisturizer in the rich variant and generously applying it all over my face and massaging it really well. To prime my face, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Primer in Dewy Smooth variant, taking a little bit of it and applying it around my nose area to fill in any pores and to get a really nice smooth canvas to work on. Starting the makeup with concealer. For that I'm going to be using Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Caramel and applying it around my eyes area and my mouth area and on the forehead a little bit. And then with a wet beauty blender I am just dabbing and blending it really nice just to even out any darkness around my face and around my mouth. Here I am using Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation in the shade 09 Nutmeg and dotting it all over my face. Using the same wet beauty blender, I am just blending it because blending the base is the most important thing to get that seamless look. I am using these two duo for my eyebrows, starting off with this Nykaa Quad palette in Night Out variant, using the dark brown and black to just fill in any sparse area and shaping the brows. Take your time and do it perfectly. And then I'm setting my brow really well by using Essence Make Me Brow Gel. For the eyeshadow, here I'm using Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty and taking the shade Crash from the palette, which is a very neutral tone, to apply all over my eyelid. Make sure you're blending it really nicely in a swiping motion. And then I'm using this pinky gold shade from the palette and applying it all over my eyelid with the help of my fingers to get that really nice pigment payoff on my eyelid. I'm using this gold shadow from the palette which is called Gold Glitch and just generously applying in the center of my eyelid and blending it really softly with my fingertips. I'm using this dark brown shadow from the Nykaa Quad palette, that is Night Out, and darkening my eye crease really well. Here I am using the black shadow from the same palette and applying it on my eyelid like an eyeliner. Make sure you take your time and build as per your wish, thin or thick, and then using the remaining product under my eyelid just to define my eyes really well. To set my makeup look, I am using Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 25 medium and applying with the same sponge under my eyes, around my face and forehead, and wait for a while and bake it, and then using the same beauty blender just blend it out really well. You don't need to dust it off, just blend it with the same blender. For the blush, I am using Verified blush in the shade Beauty Berry and gently applying it on my cheeks, which is a buildable soft focus blush. For this look I am opting Nykaa lashes, which is Melodrama, and this is how it turned out to be. For the lips, I am using this duo, starting off with Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Mocha. Make sure you're defining your lips really nicely and take your time. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to be opting for Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nude Latte and generously applying it really well. And this is how my look turned out to be. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.